There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Picked up with a bunch of other stuff. One of the things I'm always looking for are cheap rubber bits, and one of the best things I've noticed is pawn shops. I like pawn shops. I like seeing what's going on there. I also like seeing how they horribly overprice shit. They had a bunch of router bits. See, like this one, they were like $5 each, and so I bought just a couple of them. I'm good at destroying router bits. Yeah. Got different router bits. I paid $30 for the whole gang of them, and I got two like this to make a little hanger. Things there go digs in, and I think I got one of those. And I picked up one of these. They're $5 a bit. Yeah, they're. Every time I go, I keep seeing all the new Freud bits. They're like $20, $25 a bit. Sometimes, if you look on Facebook Marketplace, you can find people selling whole sets of these things real cheap. And there's a few in here I know I'm going to use, like this big one, and a couple of small ones. But it's always good to have a couple extra router bits. And yeah, so if you're looking for, what do you call it? What was I going to say? If you're looking for an alternative source of cheap anything, check on Marketplace and check on pawn shops. If you live in the middle of nowhere, check on Amazon or eBay. Those are the two best places to buy stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little snippet. I'm making a bunch of little short videos because I don't have a lot of time. And then later this week I'll get back to the bigger videos because new baby. Thank you. Thanks again. Enjoy.